Alright guys, Sinister RCD coming at you. I know I did a flight last week. It was couldn't see that much because the sun was out there and I was just wasting the battery. So I'm going to take another flight around the neighborhood here. Get the bugs a little bit higher this time. Kind of see what's going on. Go from there. I'm just waiting for my satellites to come in now. I only got 8 at the moment here. Tell you what, let's move it over some here. There we go, we already got 9. Generally, I like to wait for at least 11 satellites because I notice this thing doesn't drift around as much. There's 10. There's 11. Okay, let's do this. Let her steady out. Have not touched the sticks yet. It's moving around a little bit. You get a little closer to it. A little bit of wind, not too bad, but let's take her up. He's drifting a little bit.
Tell me down, Jack.
Stacy lost his up in that big oak tree.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, about a year and a half ago.
Who did?
And it took a year for us to get it down.
What?
Wow.
What? You found it?
Yeah.
What, Bobby?
This wasn't that big. His is smaller than that.
What, Bobby? Your grandpa got
You
it.
see that?
Oh, yeah.
I got one in the house that would go further than that.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, my son's got one. He paid $2,000 for it. He
2,000.
bought this one I got in the house for $1,000 when he bought it new, and I've never even flew it. Still got it in the bag.
Ooh, there's a bird up there.
Do it, Daddy.
That bird wondering what's up there with me.
Yep.
Them things are neat. And
Daddy,
here's got the
bring it
camera
down.
on it.
Yep. Yeah, I'm looking at it right here on my phone.
He goes out there to
Oh.
off Sears Lakes Road where they got the
The flight field?
yeah.
Yeah, that's where I go.
Where did it go?
That's a great place to learn.
Yep, it definitely is.
Where did it go?
It's straight up ahead of us.
Oh, yeah, that's high. That's way high. I wish I was that. I would be scared if I was at that high.
Hmm.
Jack, I'd be scared if I was up that high. I wouldn't. Where's
took the time to fly that one in there.
Don't.
Let's go over here and come down.
I don't think he takes time to even fly his anymore. He got into it taking pictures of people.
Yeah, I like doing the camera stuff.
Yeah, he got into taking pictures, flying and taking pictures, and they were
Come
paying.
down, that dragon. Come down. Dragon, come down.
I should have worn my sunglasses. Mm-hmm. Stay away from it, Carter. No, don't shoot it.
Yeah, they've got them so you can measure the woods and everything with it. Pretty neat. Oh yeah. Yep. What kind is that one?
That's a Mjx Bugs2 B2W. It's a GPS quad.
They're all nice.
It's not too steady though. It's keeps oscillating a little bit there. I don't know what's going on.
Huh. Got different color lights on it, yeah. Them suckers will fly, I know that.
Yeah, this this will go 999 meters, which is 0.62 mile. I have not hit it out that far though.
Well, he's even got his registered through the FFA.
Yeah, this one you don't have to register because it's under the weight limit.
Yeah. He went up here and took his flight training on one of the small planes, but just never did finish it. Spent a lot of hours in a plane not to finish it.
Yeah, that is.
It was expensive. But when you get married and you got a family, you can't spend the money on stuff you want to.
Yep, don't I know it? I'm lucky I have this.
He is too.
I've got another one too. That one's not GPS or anything though. Actually, I don't know if I'll bring that one out here though.
Dangerous with the power line and trees.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that park's a nice place. I like to go out there and watch them guys who's got some of them big old radio planes.
The planes, yeah.
Oh man. Them suckers, now they'll move.
Yep.
They spend a ton of money on them things too. They're in the air show.
Yep.
Moves good.
Yeah, it's drifting a little bit. I think I'm gonna land it here soon. Probably because there's so many trees around here. Yeah.
It had a ring around it, and that's what hung on the tree up there.
Oh, the prop guards?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, she's all over the place, guys. That was my neighbor I was talking to. Yeah, she does not want to stay in one spot. Yeah. Oh well, let's fly her back to the man cave and land it. Man, where are you going? It's hovering altitude too, man. I don't know what's up with it. It's just a bad day to fly, maybe? Yeah, we'll call it on that one. For the people I talk to regularly, this is the man cave here I've been referring to on the streams. You know, some tools in here and whatnot. Yep. This is it. Still got to get everything set up and find all my other RC stuff. Jack's truck's down there. Toolbox there. So yeah. And from here to that far bedroom window on the right there is where I stream. So yeah, that's about maybe 40 feet. So I got to figure out how to get good Wi-Fi signal to right here where I would lay my laptop up. Either going to be a Wi-Fi repeater or more powerful Wi-Fi modem, which we do need one in all fairness because everybody's streaming in the house. So started putting the trampoline up. See that in the distance there? Right there, top of the screen. Yeah. Alright, catch you guys in the next video.